Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a cleaning schedule on TCL Sweeva 6500. To do it, just click on three dots in top right corner in the app, then click on Create Schedule, then click on plus. Now you can change the frequency. You can repeat it on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. You can also set multiple days. So for example, you can set it to use the schedule every other day, like that, or however you prefer. Then click on OK. Or if you don't set it, it will only do it once. Then you can set the start time to any hour that you want, the mode to either full, area or room. You can set it to full, then it will vacuum the whole house. The area, so you can set areas by clicking on add district, resizing it and placing it. You can also change clean times, or you can set it to room and choose the rooms that you want to clean. I'm gonna select full, then go back, and you can also change the section to silent, standard, strong or max. And then when it's all set, click on save. And now your schedule is set. You can turn it on or off like an alarm. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.